Yan guys, ang ganda ng pangalan yan guys, yung Mamangay Pala kasi tigitik yung kata. Sarap ng hangin. Ang ganda ng view. Subscribe nyo po guys, Rose Arpan, Mama Sinya Vlog, Namiling TV, Laya kain guys, Nakunsyo, Alright, Vlog, yan guys, ang taga-isla, ang galing vlogs, subscribe po natin guys, thank you so much, we'll see you again on next letter of the video. Subscribe at kaling lang guys. Ayan ang ganda guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.